Hi guys, this is CA Namrata Rodrigues and today I'm going to teach you the concept of cartel. Cartel is in your Competition Act 2002, and it is a part of your EBCL, that is Economic, Business and Commercial Law. So in today's video, I am going to teach you what is cartel and what are the conditions to identify whether there is a cartel in the market or not. But before I start with the video, let me give quick intro of Unacademy. As you guys know that Unacademy and Yashash have joined hands together and they have already started the batch of CS Executive Module 2 on 11th of August. Now, please download Unacademy app. But once you download Unacademy app, what are the advantages? First thing, you will be learning from the top most educators. Second thing, you will get to see live lectures. And in case if you don't or you are not able to attend live lectures, you can see the same in recording n number of times. Matlab, there is no restricted views. Plus you will get the notes in your PDF format and the one platform, and all the notes are updated with amendments. So why are you waiting for, guys? Please download Unacademy app. Use the code YESHASH, that is YESHAS, to avail 10% discount. Now guys, let's start with the concept of cartel. Now what is cartel, guys? Cartel is nothing but an association. So let's start. What is cartel? First, you should understand what is cartel. Cartel is nothing but an association. So first word you should remember, that is association. But ma'am, association of what? Association of producers. Okay, so how you will remember? Association of producers, distributors, service providers, traders. Service providers, traders. Okay, so they are nothing but an association of producers, distributors, service providers, traders. Now what they association do? They obviously come together and they create an adverse effect on competition. Ma'am, how they create an adverse effect on competition? By entering into an agreement. And what they will do while entering into an agreement? Okay, obviously they will limit. So I want this word limit or control. They will limit or control. Ma'am, what they will limit or control? Obviously they will limit or control production. If they are producers, they will limit or control production. Just for example, I can say there are two parties, one is A and one is B. See, in market I can see there is competition. One, there is competitor A, one there is competitor B. But if they are producers, and if they enter into an agreement that we will limit the supply, so they are creating an artificial demand so that there is increase in the price. So they are limiting or controlling the production. So obviously that is a cartel. Or they can limit or control distribution. See, when there is an association of distributor, they can limit or control distribution. Same way, how if they limit or control distribution, it means they are again creating artificial demand. Because of artificial demand, there will be the rise in price. Simple. So production, distribution, or they can limit or control the price or supply of goods and services, or supply of goods and services. So obviously how they will control the price? Suppose for example A and B are traders. A will tell to B that I will sell at rupees 100 and you also sell the same quality of the goods at rupees 100. So if I see in the market, obviously there are two competitors, competitor A and competitor B. But obviously ultimately there is no competition in the market because they have formed the cartel, that is an association. A is also selling at 100, B is also selling at 100. So what is the competition over here? They are creating adverse effect on competition. Guys, use it. Appreciable adverse effect on competition. Appreciable adverse effect on competition. Obviously not allowed. So ma'am, cartel is basically allowed ke prohibited? Obviously cartel is prohibited. Why? Because it will be affecting the consumer. Consumer will get the good quality of products? Answer is no. Consumer will get the good quality of products at reasonable price? Answer is no, because there is an association among the producers, distributors, traders or service provider. So obviously it is a duty of CCI to prohibit cartel and to see that there is no cartel in the market. So ma'am, whether how they will come to know whether there is a cartel in the market or not? Obviously no producer or no distributor will come and tell CCI, oh, we have formed the cartel. Obviously it is not like that. CCI need to identify, depending upon the situation in the market, whether there is a cartel or not. And if CCI finds that there is a cartel, then they have to prohibit such cartel. Otherwise it will create an appreciable adverse effect on competition, which will not be good or which will not be in the interest of the consumer. I hope you understood what is cartel. Then we will do the condition. First let me tell you what is cartel. Over here, just look at here. Cartel includes association of producers, sellers, distributors, traders or service providers who what they do, who by an agreement. I told who by an agreement. Okay, among themselves by an agreement, either limit or control or attempt to control, matlab they are planning to control production, distribution, sale or price of the trade in goods and services. The Competition Act prohibits the formation in certain cartels. Obviously they don't allow certain cartels. For consumer, the cartelization result in the higher price. I told you it's not in the interest of consumer. Higher price, poor quality and less or no choice of the goods, because everything, if they are selling at the same quality, the same price, obviously the consumer will have no choice of the goods. So this cartel is prohibited under Competition Act. And these are the various conditions where the cartel is where you can identify that there is a cartel in the market. So if you see that some of the conditions that are conducive to the cartelization in market. So this question is very important. What is cartel? What do you mean by cartel? And explain with the reference to the Competition Act. So you have to write full definition of the cartel and this condition. How CCI will identify whether there is a cartel in the market or not? Just think. Obviously there is few competitors in the market and there is entry and exit barriers. Entry matlab you will not allow anybody to enter. If they will enter, obviously he might not be the firm, or he might not be part of the cartel. Might be like that. And he will also not allow anybody to exit. If anybody will exit, then obviously they will leak the information outside or they will give the information to CCI. So there will be entry and exit barriers. Okay, so high concentration, that there will be few competitors in the market, there will be entry and exit barriers. All the products will be homogeneous or all the price will be homogeneous, matlab almost similar. Okay, similar production cost. Okay, production cost is also same, selling price is also same, the quality is also same. It means there is a cartel. And obviously history of collusion, matlab in past they have already done any collusion like this, matlab they have come together in past and CCI already has given the warning to them. Still again there might be cartel, or there is a heavy high dependency of consumer on the products. Matlab if there is high dependency of the consumer on the product like salt or any necessary goods, obviously it's very easy to form the cartel, because they know that we form the cartel, we can rise the price, we can create the artificial demand, consumer are going to take because that is a necessity. Right? So if it is a high dependence of the consumer on such type of goods, generally their tend to be more cartels over there. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much. This comes to an end with cartel. Thank you. Bye.